Which of these values will make 3p minus 1 divided by p squared minus p undefined? This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. We are looking for the values of p that will make 3p minus 1 divided by p squared minus p undefined. When you have an expression in the form a divided by b, the expression is undefined when the denominator is equal to 0. So when we have an expression in the form a divided by b, the expression becomes undefined when the denominator, which is b, is equal to 0. So here the expression 3p minus 1 divided by p squared minus p will be undefined when the denominator, which is p squared minus p, is equal to 0. So we have to find values of p for which p squared minus p is equal to 0. We can factorize p out here. When we do that, we will have p times p minus 1 is equal to 0. So p is multiplying p minus 1 and the result is 0. What it means is that it's either p is equal to 0 or p minus 1 is equal to 0. When p minus 1 is equal to 0, it means that p is equal to 1. So here the expression 3p minus 1 divided by p squared minus p will be undefined for two values of p, when p is equal to 0 and when p is equal to 1. Because when p is equal to 0 or when p is equal to 1, the denominator of the expression will be 0. And we know that if the denominator of the expression is 0, then it means that the whole expression will be undefined. So we can say that the expression p minus 1 divided by p squared minus 1 is undefined when p is equal to 0 or when p is equal to 1. When we look through the options here, 1 is part of them, and we have seen that the expression is undefined when p is equal to 1. So here the correct option will be option D, which is 1.